and we're making a anvil dropper. And first we're gonna need some button, redstone torch, redstone repeater, piston, stone brick, and anvil. And first we're gonna make two block of that, and put just a button in there, and put a redstone torch, and that, and that, and that, which whatever you want as a high, whatever you want as a long, that, and just that, and just that, just that, and just that, and just that, and that. Put a block last, like whatever you want as a block, that, of that, and just like many as you want, like that, and oh, sorry, wrong. No, camper. That, and wrong, the wrong idea, and just, and that, and that. This is the, yeah, like that, and like that, and like that. Whatever you want as a block, and put some that, and break this block, and put some redstone repeater on it, and put some redstones, and that, and just put an anvil and out of it, and like that, and put some eggs, and let's try that, and put some like that, and click the button, and bang, you will be drop some. Hey, what you doing, Airlight Gaming? This is a video, not a idiot. Like that. Let's try again. Put some like that. Hey! Yes, like that. I like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like that. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye. This town's so late.